Hello, Peter here from Pinoy Accountant. So yung tanong dito is, kailangan ba mag-submit ng inventory list to BIR? So the short answer is yes. If your business falls in the categories of the following. So if manufacturing or merchandising and retailing, especially retailing kasi dito talaga madalas yung mga business types natin like you're selling in Lazada or Shopee. So definitely you are required to submit the inventory list. So second is lahat ng real estate companies are also required. And third are the construction companies. So regardless of your tax type, whether you are VAT, non-VAT, optional standard deduction, or naka 8% kayo, you are required to submit the inventory list as long as you are selling physical goods. So yung deadline nito to submit the inventory list is by January 30, 2025.